Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your health card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now you need to understand one important thing. Not all the health cards can be added directly. The addition or the support actually depends on the hospital, insurance providers and the government system. So in order to find that out whether you can add your health card to your Apple Wallet or not, you need to first of all open your health provider's application. Then inside it, when you are logged in, simply go to your ID cards section or your health cards section. And when you see your cards detail in the digital form inside the app, simply look for this particular button that says add to Apple Wallet. If you are able to find this option, simply tap on it and follow further instructions in order to add your card with your Apple Wallet. But if in your case this is not supported, then in that case what you can do is you can either take a clear photo or a screenshot of that particular card. You can either save it in the form of photos or files, or you can use the third-party applications that support digital cards. And this is not the same as wallet, but it will still useful. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.